guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're making steak in the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. That is right, we're making it in the Ninja Foodi Grill XL, and we're using the dual sensor thermometer probe that comes with this grill. You guys, you're gonna see how it takes an accurate temperature, and once you set the doneness that you're looking for, it cooks it to that temperature. So you guys look at this. We did a medium steak, and it came out perfect. My husband is going to be in heaven with this. Look at how juicy it is. We have the juices flowing right there at the back. So make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. Let me know in the comments what you guys want me to make next. But let's get started. Alright, so to get started, what we have here are 2 Tbone steaks. And I'm just going to open up this package. They weigh 2.165 pounds, so about 2 pounds, a pound each for the steaks. Okay. What I have here is 1 tablespoon of the Montreal Grill Mate seasoning. You guys, you can buy this at your grocery store, your local grocery store. They sell packets for about $1.29 or $1.99, or you could buy the whole thing. I found this on Amazon for $6.99, so I just ended up buying this because I buy these packets all the time. And I'm using avocado oil, and I'm using my Evil oil sprayer. Let's go ahead and start seasoning before we can place them in the grill. So just put that here. Move that to the side. So what I like to do is spray, and I'm going to disinfect my sprayer, you guys, don't worry. I know my mom's watching this probably saying she put her hands on the meat first and then the sprayer. Okay, so I'm just going to rub this in here. Just rub the oil. And I did a few sprays just to coat the outside with the avocado oil. And then using the 1 tablespoon of the Montreal, I'm just going to spread it everywhere. So you spread it from front to back to the sides. Just get it everywhere so that it's well seasoned. Just really rub it in there. And then what I'm going to do is cover this and let it rest in the refrigerator for about an hour or 2 to really marinate it in there and get the flavors going. And then we can start grilling. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so we're going to start by preheating by turning on our grill. Selecting grill. We want to grill on high. And start. We'll set our thermometer here. We want to do it a regular preset, and my husband wants it medium, between medium rare and medium, so we'll leave it there. Select start, and we'll be back once it's done preheating. And you'll see the line right here flashing. It's going to go all the way to the end and let us know once it's ready. Alright, so we're approaching the plug here. Now I just want to plug in our steak, so you did notice that it's letting me know to plug it in. I just want to prep one of the steaks. Now, if your steaks are ever different sizes, because all steaks can't be alike, or meats, then what you're going to want to do is choose the smaller one to put the probe in, and then later on you can, once the first one finishes, then you can put it in the other one. So you'll just carefully remove it. Now, what I did was I put it right through the center, straight to the center, because it has that dual sensor. You never want to go up pointing into it. You want to go through the side all the way into the thickest part of the meat. So I'm going to do, what I'm going to do here is plug it in. Okay, and it's almost ready, so I'm going to keep this here in my little bowl and wait for it to ding and let me know it's ready to go. Alright, so you see it's letting us know to add the food. So I'm going to go ahead and grab our steak here. Let's see. Hear that nice sizzle. I'm actually going to move it over here. These are some big steaks. These are each 1 pound each, and it fits nicely. So it's nice to know that I can finish both of our steaks at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and close our lid here, and it'll let us know once it's time. Alright, so it's about 80 degrees, so I want to go ahead and flip it. Get that good color there. Close the lid. And there we go. Alright, so it's letting us know it's time to get the food out because it still continues to cook after it's done. So we're going to bring our steaks out over here to the side, and I'm just going to unplug it from the unit. Now it's time to rest. So we'll allow it to rest and we'll be back. Alright, so the unit is telling us, and it did say end when it was done resting or giving us a resting time. So I just want to cut into it and see how we did. There's that bone in there, so just pull it to the side here. Alright, let's see. See if we can cut the bone out. And I'm stuck right there. There we go. Beautiful pink in there. Let's see if I can zoom in. I really got to get better knives, you guys. But there you go. You have your medium steak there. Just between medium rare. And, oh, let's see if I can. Just so you guys can see. And that's it, you guys. That's how you would make the steak in our Ninja Foodi grill using the thermometer. You guys, I really love the dual sensor because it gets multiple spots and is taking temperatures in those both spots to make sure that it gives you an accurate cook. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Ninja Foodi grill and Excel videos coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But until next time, you guys have a great night.